Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 27. The aspect of commerce that facilitates distribution of goods and services is known as A. Advertising, B. Branding, C. Retailing, D. Transportation, E. Warehousing. So let's look at the aspects of commerce given to us in the options and see which one facilitates distribution of goods and services. Now option A, which is advertising, is an act of creating awareness about a specific good or goods and services. Now option B, which is branding, is a marketing practice which involves the creation of a name, symbol, or identity that is easily identifiable as belonging to the company. Now option C, which is retailing, refers to the selling of merchandise and certain services to consumers. And option D, which is transportation, refers to the movement of humans, animals, or goods from one location to another. And E, which is warehousing, refers to the act of storing goods that will be sold or distributed later. Now from the options we see here, option D, which is transportation, involves movement of humans, animals, or goods from one location to another. Now in most cases, in order for goods and services to be distributed, they have to be moved from one location to another. The humans that will provide the services need to be transported from one location to another, and the goods also to be distributed need to be moved from one location to another. So it is safe to say that transportation is that aspect of commerce that facilitates the distribution of goods and services. So the correct answer to this question is option D, which is transportation. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.